डिक्टेशन शुरू होता है अब। सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल इज नोन एज द आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया हैड इट नॉट बीन फॉर his efforts, the various princely states of India would not have come together. Sardar Patel also worked for the welfare of the farmers in order to pay homage to Patel and honor his contribution to the country. Narendra Modi announced the construction of a huge statue of this great Indian leader. The announcement was made 9 years ago when Narendra Modi was the Chief Minister of Gujarat. Statue of Unity dedicated of to Sardar Patel is known for its enormous structure and elaborate design. A lot of sweat and hard work went into the making of this structure. A team of artists, historians, and architects was selected to further this task. They studied various statues of Sardar Patel set up in different parts of the country. Finally, the design suggested by sculptor Ram B. Sudar was approved and the work for the construction of this unique statue began. The Statue of Unity is said to be a replica of the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel installed at Ahmedabad International Airport. Is it is just that this statue is much larger than that the total height of statue is 240 meters and is known as the tallest statue around the globe. In this statue, he is seen wearing a dhoti. His head is held high and there is a shawl on his shoulders. His hands are on his sides and he is wearing a pair of sandals. The height, weight, and other measures of the storage statue have been decided in a way that it stands intact amid adverse climate conditions. This one of a kind statue can withstand wind up to 220 kilometers per hour. It can also withstand earthquakes up to 6.5 on the Richter scale. The Statue of Unity movement, a drive to support the construction of the Statue of Unity was initiated by the state government of Gujarat. This was named the Statue of Unity movement. Why? Way of this movement, the government of Gujarat received immense help from the masses. It argued the farmers and artisans to donate their old and used equipment, and people came forward to donate these in vast numbers. Scrap iron amounting to 135 metric tons was collected with the help of this movement. Statue of Unity is a symbol of unity and strength. It reflects the true personality of Sardar Patel, who was strong and robust. The initiative taken by PM Modi has been supported and appreciated by people in power as well as the general public. PM Modi sees the statue as an inspiration for the people of our country. Full stop.